Hey guys, what's up? It's Jacob here from Divine Spring, and today I'm going to show you how to make distressed text. So you can use this text for anything, for your graphics, for your t-shirt designs, anything you need, and it creates a nice punk distressed look on your text. So the first thing you want to do is just get the text you want. Here I just have some Arial plain text. And then you want to go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur, and convert it to a smart object. Okay, so we want the blur around 5. This will depend on the text you have. Just play around with it depending on the font. But for this one, we're going to go with 5. Hit OK. The next thing we want to do is add a threshold layer, which will change the colors. So go down here to the layers panel and hit threshold. Okay, and as you can see, that's instantly changed that image. So we can adjust it as we like, the threshold level. And you can really see how much the Gaussian blur changes it. So if we put it up to say 7 and then add our threshold back, you can see it has quite a big impact on the text. Okay, so now we have our text. We want to put all these layers into a folder. So just select them all and click on the folder button. And then we want to create a solid color layer. So you do this by clicking here and then hitting solid color. Make it black and then click OK. And then just make this layer invisible. Click back on the group and go to select color range. Then you just make sure your text is selected. So here with the eyedropper tool, we click on the text. And as you can see, it selected it. Hit OK. Make our colorful layer visible again and go select it. And then basically what we do is just invert the text. So invert it once and then deselect our image and then invert it again. Alright, so the next thing we want to do is just make our group invisible and turn this layer into a smart object. So right click and go to convert to smart object. Okay. Now the next thing we need to do is add our displacement map. So any image with sort of damaged texture, marble, cracks will work well to create a distressed effect. In the description I've put one that I think works really well, which is a damaged black texture. And all you want to do is open it in Photoshop. So now we have our damaged black texture, and all you need to do is save it again as a Photoshop file. So we'll save that. Okay, then go back to your original. Go to Filter, Distort, Displace. You can adjust the amount of impact it'll have on your image. We'll show you that in a second, but just hit OK for now. And then select your damaged texture. Okay, so now we have our distressed text. So you can play around a bit with the displacement map as I'll show you. So for example, instead of 10 and 10, we set it to 5 and 5. It'll lessen the impact a bit, as you can see. But yeah, that's basically how you make distressed text in Photoshop. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know in the comments if you have any suggestions for future videos, future tutorials. You can really use this text for so many things. You can use it in your clothing designs, you can use it in flyers, you can really use it for anything. It creates a nice punk aesthetic that will be used. It's been useful in my brand, Eternal Spring. It can be useful in your brand too. So make sure you leave a like, subscribe. A new video is coming very soon, so keep posted on the channel. Thank you guys again for watching. Stay safe, and I'll see you next time.